Fescar ma agus fáilte go Facal Friday. Today I am going to teach you how to tweet. I'm not talking about the anonymous account you use to abuse politicians in the online echo chamber of debate. I'm going to teach you how to make the noise that a bird makes when it tweets or chirps if you're a pedant. The Gaelic for tweeting or chirping, what's the difference, is killerich. But if you're tweeting you'd say ha mi killerich. Ha mi killerich. It's quite simple really. All you need is some water, your mouth, and your best Hannibal Lecter impression, like when he goes Clarice. Basically what you're doing is putting water in your mouth and then you're talking air out your mouth as well. You're kind of talking a little and you can put it out your tongue a bit. So that's all you gotta do. Put water in your mouth, suck in air, try to suck in your lips as well, and play around with it, play around with your tongue a wee bit, and you'll get it's a lot of fun. You can spend literally minutes of your day tweeting. How many kilograms I am tweeting? Try it yourself. Tell me how you get on. Bye.